So I'm going to first start off with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is actually one of my favorite foundations, and it's what I typically use whenever I go out. And I use this Evian facial spray. It's basically just water, and I spray my beauty blender to get it moist. Pat away the foundation so that it just blends in seamlessly. So I'm going to use the Tarte concealer. Next, I am in the shade Light Medium, and I like to put it between my brows as well because, I don't know, just to highlight that area, I suppose. So I'm gonna use the same beauty blender. So next, I'm gonna take this IT Cosmetic Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm gonna apply this under my eyes just to brighten it a bit. The packaging is like really beat up, so lightly, I just put it very lightly under my eyes, and then I'm just gonna blend it just to brighten up that area. So I think I actually got this in my recent Ipsy bag. It's a lip scrub, and I like to apply this on my lips because I have like pretty dry lips, and this helps moisturizes it. So I'm gonna apply some of this scrub on my lip, like so, and you're gonna wipe it off in a few minutes. So I just applied the lip scrub, and next I'm going to use this highlight and contour stick. It's by NYX. So I like to put a line there, and then I try to make it like a long line on my bridge, like that, just to make my nose look slimmer. My nose definitely looks skinnier. Oh, I forgot to mention what shade I'm in. I used it in medium tan. So next I'm gonna take this Anastasia Brow Wiz. I use the color Caramel, and my eyebrows are actually already microbladed, so I don't need to do a whole lot, but I like to just make the ends a bit more defined because that's where I'm lacking hair. So next I'm gonna take this palette by MAC, and I think they did a collaboration with Patrick Starr, and I use this palette every single day. That's why you can tell this color is like almost gone, but this palette has been well loved, and I'm gonna use that today. I'm gonna take this color and just put that all over my lid. Okay, and then the next color I'm gonna take is this one over here. It's like this really nice bronzy goldish color, and I'm gonna swipe that all over my lids again. So I'm gonna put it on top, over here, like so. And I'm also gonna do it on my lower eyelids as well. I think I'm just gonna do it on the outer corners. Next, I'm gonna take this very warm brown color, and it has some orange tones in it, and I'm gonna apply that under the brow bone, I suppose. Like this. And then I'm also gonna take a blending brush. For a blending brush, I like using a fluffier, bigger brush, and then when I apply eyeshadow, I use a much smaller eyeshadow so I can have more precision on where I apply on my eyelids. And then next, I am actually going to take this dark brown color right here, and again, I'm gonna use my eyeshadow brush. Now, I kind of have hooded eyes, so I try to make sure that when I open my eyes, it's slightly higher up so that my eyes look more open as opposed to looking droopy. So I'm gonna open my eyes, and as you can see, I try to make sure that I get the dark eyeshadow a little bit higher above where the crease is so that your eyes look more open. Next, I'm gonna take this MAC eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this silver glittery gold eyeshadow right here. And when I apply it on my eyes, I pat the product on my lids so that there's less fallout. Such a pretty color. So again, since I have hooded eyes, I try to put a lighter color for anything under my crease, and then above my crease I put a darker color so that my eyes look more open. Next, I'm going to take this eye pencil by Urban Decay, and I believe it is in the color Demolition. Demolition? I don't know how to pronounce that. But I'm going to take this eye pencil now and just line it above my waterline. Or I guess supposedly above my lash line. Yeah, above my lash line. I really like using this color though because it's just such a soft brown color and blends in with like my actual like eyebrow hair and like lash hair so seamlessly. Just get that on my waterline, and I'm actually not going to do a wing with this eye pencil, but I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette again, and with this dark brown color I'm going to do a baby wing with this angled brush. And you actually want to get some water on this angled brush. I'm going to try using this Evian water spray and see if it works, but you just want to get it wet so that it collects more product, so that when you apply the eyeliner with the eyeshadow powder, I feel like when you apply water on the eyeshadow brush, it just makes it more clean. I like never do my eyeliner symmetrically, so let's see how this goes. If you aren't very good at doing eyeliner, I would definitely recommend doing a gel eyeliner or eye pencil because it's way more forgiving because you don't have like a sharp defined line, as opposed to like when you use like liquid eyeliners, you have to be super precise. So it looks like this. So I finished with the eyeliner. I think that my crease is higher up on this eye, so I want to put a little bit more of the sparkly eyeshadow here, just so that it gives the illusion that it looks a bit more even. I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply some blush. So I am using this one by Cargo. It is called the Big Easy, and it is this nice pinky rose color. I like to smile and apply it right there. You can apply some on your nose so that it looks more natural, like how you would look when you actually blush. Okay, there. So I'm done with the blush, and then I am going to take this highlighter bronzer palette by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to apply the bronzer to right here, my jawline, just to make it a bit more defined. Get some of it on my forehead as well, so it looks like I have a tan. And I know people like to put it on the hollows of their cheeks. I'm actually not going to because I feel like I have pretty prominent cheekbones, and I don't really want to emphasize it more, at least today with this makeup look. So I'm just gonna do my jawline and on my forehead for a little extra warmth to my skin. Next, the fun part, I'm gonna take this MAC highlighter. It's in the color Whisper of Guilt. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to highlight my nose bridge, so over there, and then I'm also gonna put some of this highlight on my cheekbones right here. So next I'm gonna be doing my lips. I applied that lip scrub earlier, so I need to wipe it off now, and I'm gonna do that right now. As you can see, my lips feel so much more moist and hydrated. I really love this lip scrub so much. It's one of my favorite products of the month. So definitely check this out if you guys have dry lips. And I'm gonna first apply some chapstick. I really like this one by Nevia. It is Cherry Shine. And I wear this chapstick on a daily basis on days that I don't do like lipstick or anything. I just like the hint of color that it adds. As you can see, and you can layer it to make it more pigmented, so it looks extra red. And then next, I am going to use this lip liner. So this one is by MAC, and I think the color is called Follow Your Heart. So what I learned is like when I overline my lips, I only overline the bottom and top part because I find that when I do the sides, it kind of ends up looking like a clown lip, like a little bit too big for maybe my taste. So I just like to overline it for the bottom and top part. Now on to the lip color. I'm gonna use this one by Urban Decay. It is in the color Fade, and this is what it looks like, the shade. And you can use your finger to dab it on your lips, or in my case, I'm gonna use this lipstick pencil or lipstick brush. So I'm gonna use that lipstick brush, dab it in, and just, I actually don't think this lipstick color really matches this eyeliner. I mean, the lip liner very well. So I'm gonna like go. Like so. So as I was saying, this color doesn't actually match my lip liner that well, so I just overlap the color so I can just like kind of mix together. So this lip color looks pretty dark when you see it like this, but when you swatch it on, it's actually not that dark in my opinion. So this is what my lips look like when I overline them. As I was saying, I tend to just overline the bottom area and the area on top where the Cupid's bow is, and I avoid the sides at all because I feel like it just makes your lips kind of look like a clown. So if you're interested in trying to overline your lips, I would definitely try to maybe stick to the bottom and top. It looks more natural that way in my opinion. I used to be really bad at applying fake lashes, and I still am kind of, but I find that if you find the right lashes for your eyelids, it makes a huge difference and really changes the shape of your eyes. These Ardell ones are really nice for those of you with like Asian eyelids, and these are one of my favorite ones. So I'm just gonna apply them now. Before I apply mascara on my bottom lashes, I actually think I'm going to use this warm brown color again, and I think I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my bottom lash line, just to add a little more color. And I'm actually even gonna take an eyeshadow brush and just using that warm brown color and just adding a little more color to my bottom lashes so that it looks more even, so it doesn't look so top heavy. Okay, there. That looks pretty good to me. And then I'm gonna apply this mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm basically using this lash comb to separate my lashes better after applying mascara because I don't like it when it looks all clumpy. So I'm just gonna separate them using this so that it just looks a little bit better. And I'm pretty much done with the makeup look, and I'm gonna apply these golden earrings. Now this is with the golden earrings, and I haven't washed my hair for I don't know how many days now. I don't actually remember. So I'm gonna apply some dry shampoo to give my hair more lift and volume. So I'm using this one by Moroccan Oil. Move your hair around so that it gets absorbed into your hair. But yeah, basically do this. Ooh, okay. My hair actually feels so much more cleaner now after using this. Okay, now I'm just gonna move my hair around so that it absorbs the product and so that my hair feels less oily. There we go, and now this is pretty much the completed look. It's this sultry dark red lip color with some glittery glam eyes, and this is what I would wear on an evening night out. If there are any specific type of videos that you guys would like me to make, definitely leave it in the comments down below because I would love to create more videos that you guys are interested in watching. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day.